Hello, today we're going to discuss where to get content ideas that you can use whether in your video or in your blog or in your post. So let's jump right into it. One of the easiest way for you to find ideas is, well, using Facebook. So I've already opened a few tabs here. So when you go to Facebook, you just have to type in the search bar on top, just type Facebook, and then you see there's all kind of groups or pages that you can, how to say, model. For example, you go to groups. So some of these, you want to know about Facebook, for example, then you want to know what kind of things that people talk about. So you can just join all these Facebook groups that you think is pretty good. So like for me, I joined like Facebook ad hacks, and this is actually a group by Cat Howell. And then you can just read through and see what they're looking for. 50%. Okay, this is how to get clients. Then to my client business page. So okay, so I can do, yeah, you can create an Excel sheet, then you put the content research there. So you can do, for example, when I read this, I know, because when doing Facebook ads, I noticed that a lot of businesses out there, they're not familiar, especially business manager, business page, and Facebook page. So I think it's a good video to have. So business page, business manager. Okay, and then pricing, how to set pricing. This is quite a general question that is always pop up. Alright, then engagement ad, how to do engagement ad. Just go through like the groups, and then you see which content that you feel that you can work on it. You can start researching on it, how to do it, or maybe you yourself know how to do it immediately. Then you can immediately just take the topic and just elaborate further. So a few more that I joined is like digital marketing for entrepreneurs. So you can see what kind of question they ask, e-com empires, talking about e-commerce, and many others. So it depends which topic you want. For example, you want health, fitness. Yeah, just go to the groups, go to any groups, and then you can see what's the question being asked. Not only the questions, also what kind of recommendation that they give, what kind of trend is currently going on your niche. So Facebook is one of the fastest way you can check it out. So you can use other social media as well, like Twitter, and see what's ongoing. But Facebook is for me personally, I think it's a more comprehensive platform for you to really do your research. Another way you can do your research is by using Quora. So for example, like Quora, you just go to Facebook, type Facebook, and then you can see, how do I get likes on Facebook. Then you can talk about running a like campaign. Facebook, or I can come out with a content is like important, are likes important. Something like that. So you can just look and see which kind of, some of them got even answers. So now you can use some answers, or you can expand with it. So yeah, another way, back to Facebook, there's another way that you can use it as well, is that you model other people's content. I would prefer not to copy exactly. Put your own twist, your own take on whichever of the content that you see. So when you see, for example, you check, let me see Facebook. Let's see which page which is good. Okay, let's find any digital marketer that we can know. Okay, back to Russell Brunson. So you see what kind of posts he have. Let's see what he's talking about. Presentation, okay. Yeah, I can talk about how to improve your presentation. He always talk about funnel, then maybe I'll do a content about funnels. So and it goes on. So this is one way you can research it. For me, Facebook itself is already a pretty good and comprehensive way to research. Okay, I hope that helps. So if you like what I've shared, please do support and subscribe to my channel. And I see you next time. Bye bye.